It's cool. I got you. Somebody put me on. I ain't kicking it off. Somebody put me on. So I'm finna put y'all on. We'll hit it with that chicken shine. This stuff right here. This is what you need. The 4-seater was overheating. Let's check this thing out. I said, go ahead and sit, let it do its thing. All right, so everything's done. It's all rinsed out. You can see how much came out, but it looks a lot better. But it's hot, but I picked the worst time of the day to come out here. It's got a whole bunch of dirt, dust, mud, whatever in your radiator. Try this out first. Look into it. Walmart, $7. Can't beat it. Like I said, just try it out. Another tool to put in your bag. Yeah, if it's helpful, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Y'all be breezing. Catch y'all on the next one.